Name's David Bremner, working outside sales at Keystone Automotive Operations in Canada here. Here to talk about the Airdesign truck and how it's changed things since I've had it on my truck on the road. One of my proudest moments as an outside sales guy is being able to get somebody out to look at the product. So when I pull into a dealership's lot or when I pull into a customer's lot of ours, when I'm driving down the street, watching people's heads turn to see a product they've never seen before, to see something that's integrated and different, much as other people have mentioned here, the integrated mud flap, that's something that catches the eyes of our jobbers every single day. Customer base is looking at something that's different from every other truck at the show, every other truck at the off-road meet. That's something that's going to allow them to stand out from the crowd. That's what these trucks are for. That's what our partnerships with companies like Airdesign is allowing us to do, is to turn that head and to engage that conversation.
So one of my favorite moves to pull into the dealership is you pull right in front of the showroom. This particular truck has a Borla Attack Series exhaust on the Coyote 5-liter engine. So we give it a couple of barks to the engine just to let everyone know that I've pulled in the lot. They kind of stare out the window. I'll drive around the building, go past the install bays, all the techs are staring, come all the way around the building, and by the time I'll pull back in front of the showroom, the sales team is outside and they're ready to look in the truck and see what it was that actually just drove into their lot and what this build actually is.
You know, being a new car dealer and being a single franchise, that would be Ford. Of course, for me, obviously we make great trucks, but let's be serious, it's competitive. My products stand out, so sure, we make money on the Airdesign products we install, but how about giving a reason for the customer to come in the first place and have a product that a customer can be proud of and that's unique? You know, the F-Series has been the best-selling vehicle, at least in Canada, for over 50 consecutive years. Millions and millions are sold. It gets to be looking like the same truck out there. To offer the customer something different, something unique, and that they can stand out and be different than every other one rolling down the road, that's what really turns people's crank. That's what we hear all the time.
The nice thing about having this product line is we're not competing against anyone. It's a completely different look to it. And what the dealers really like is that build sells itself. Once that truck's on the lot and it's sitting out front, there's no salesmanship required on the vehicle. Typically the customer comes in, they say, I want that truck. I don't care what the price is, we'll take it. And what the sales department gets to see is they make money off of the front end of the truck, the service department's making money off the install, and the parts department's making money off the parts. It's a win-win-win-win situation for everyone. It's something different than just a leveling kit and generic flares and just a rim and tire package.
When it comes to full-size trucks or even compact trucks, what else out there is on the market that can radically change the appearance of the vehicle? Relatively easy to install, has good margin for the dealers, has good value for the customer, and then gives the customer benefit of protection. Well, that's what Airdesign kits do.
One of the exciting parts about getting the sale on the Airdesign kit itself is it's never just the Airdesign kit. You also get to add on suspension components, whether it be a leveling kit, a mid-lift kit, or a full suspension lift. You also add on a rim and tire assembly, as well as usually an exhaust system. So it becomes a real moneymaker for us and for our customers. It allows us to develop a great partnership with each dealership. Since we've had these trucks on the road, there's hardly a dealer that you bring it into that will say no to doing a full build with us. And seeing that it's a different assembly, it's a different kit, it's got an excellent look to it, very aggressive and very clean look at the same time. So it works out extremely well for us every time we bring this into a dealership, and they can see exactly where we can take them with the build. So that's the Airdesign build. I think, you know, every good sales team should have something like this in their toolbox to use and get out there and make money, build partnerships, and sell tons of it.